Most solopreneurs are drowning in chaos, not because they like bad at business, but because they're stuck in a cycle of unstructured and what I call reactionary work. So if you don't have a clear, repeatable system to follow, your business will always feel overwhelming, unpredictable, and well, let's just be honest, it's going to be exhausting. In other words, you'll find yourself always reacting to whatever is just like thrown at you, right? But the good news, you can fix this and fast. All right. So if you feel like you are constantly working, but never making real progress, first, you're not alone. All right. The solopreneur grind, it's real, but it doesn't have to be your reality. All right. The real problem isn't your effort, it's the lack of structured systems that give you time, freedom, and growth. So today I'll show you exactly why most solopreneurs struggle and how you can break free using a proven 90-day reset strategy. Are you ready? All right. First, though, let's talk just a minute about the real reason solopreneurs struggle most. Here's the thing. Most solopreneurs don't fail because they lack skills or ambition. They fail because they're trapped in one or more of these three business killers. Business killer number one, no clear priorities. You wake up every day just reacting to tasks instead of executing a plan. Okay, without a system for prioritizing, everything feels urgent and nothing truly moves your business forward. It's true. Business killer number two, lack of workflows and routines. You find yourself wasting hours every week deciding what to do next, searching for files, or recreating the wheel for repetitive tasks. Without streamlined workflows, your time is just leaking, okay? And you're leaking energy every single day. Business killer number three, no accountability or review system, okay? You set goals, but there's no built-in process to track progress or to adjust the strategy when needed. So without regular business check-ins, you just kind of drift further from your goals without even realizing it. Oh, I've been there. So, does any of this sound familiar? If so, I want you to keep watching because I'm going to show you the exact framework that can help you reset and take control of your business. Okay. And we're going to start today. So let's dive into the fix. All right. My 90-day solopreneur reset. Instead of hoping things will change, let's make them change. All right. Inside Vision Mastery Accelerator, or I call it VMA for short, following phase one, which are the foundations of every entrepreneur must first complete. I teach a simple, structured 90-day system that eliminates chaos and helps you regain control. So let me give you a sneak peek of what that looks like. And honestly, as much as I'd love to welcome you inside VMA, these steps aren't hard, okay? It's totally possible for you to do these on your own. So let me give you the steps. Step one, I want you to establish a priority system. This is like week 1 to 4. You can use Asana as an example to create a clear CEO dashboard that organizes your top projects and deadlines. And then implement the full focus planner method or the planner of your choice to structure your daily, weekly priorities. All right. And then I want you to use Google Calendar to schedule batch blocks for your work and protect your focus time. Step two, create time-saving workflows. This can be done in week 5 through 8. I want you to automate repetitive tasks inside Asana or your choice project manager, and then link to any files in Google Drive, Canva, whatever, okay? And then create a weekly success checklist to streamline those recurring tasks. Implement templates for emails, content planning, all the things you do in your business. You must stop reinventing the wheel on the daily, all right? Step three, build an accountability and review system. You can do this in weeks 9 through 12. Implement a weekly review process to track progress and adjust plans. You can use monthly CEO days to step out of the weeds and focus on those high-level growth strategies, all right? Set up accountability system either with the best, like one of your biz bestie, a mastermind, or you can join us inside VMA. So with these 3 steps, you'll go from overwhelmed to in control and without having to work more. You know, most solopreneurs struggle because they're stuck in reaction mode with no clear priorities, no structured workflows, and no accountability to keep them on track. But it doesn't have to be you, all right? This doesn't have to be you. I want you to hear that. If you just implement this 90-day reset, you can completely transform your business. I know because I've done it. You can work less, you can earn more, and you can finally feel in control. So inside Vision Mastery Accelerator, VMA, I'll walk you through this entire process step by step. And guess what? It's $7. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start making real progress, now is the time to take action. I'll drop the link below. All right. But I want to tell you this before you get away. Regardless of, here's your next step. All right. If you join us inside or not, here's your next step. I want you to watch the next video in this series, should be popping up on your screen, where I break down the full 90-day solopreneur success roadmap. All right. Like I said, it should be popping up on your screen now if it's not already there. Just click on it and watch, and I'll see you there.